Good evening everyone. I am Dravir Brahmat from Ultimate Class Master. Today's my topic is about children's life. As you all know that today's children's life is not going on well. There are so many children who they are going in depression, they are feeling anxiety, they are not thinking about themselves that we are living in that world. You know, the children's life is not good, it's bad. They have got to go to school. They live in school till 7. After that, they come from school. 6 hours they spend in school time. After that, they come home. After eating food, they go in coaching and till 8, 9 p.m. they stay there. And after that, they spend their 2 hours their side. After they come home, they study till 10 p.m. After that, they spend their 2 hours. All our students, our children, they are facing so many problems. They are going in depression, whatever their parents are not thinking about their lives and coming down, where will be they? You know, our education system is bad. They are not serving with them the good quality. They are not teaching well from first class till 12th class. They don't teach skills, management, career counseling, etc. They don't teach how to earn money. They don't teach skills. They don't teach English. Only they teach subject. They spend their time in school. And after 12th class, they became a poor. What should we do for our children, our students, our population? I think parents should be a pure. Parents should spread awareness in school, in college, in coaching, whatever they want to do, because you know who teacher is teaching our students, our children, they are not satisfied. They are going depression. Teacher impose a workload to them because teacher wants his subject will be better. Teacher wants his subject should be better. If teacher subject should not be better, then teacher will blame them that you are not studying well, you are not doing your work. If students are not studying well, they will complain to their parents. Their parents will come in school and they complain to principal. The principal will take chance and come on the point and then scold the teachers, and teacher will scold the students. What's going on? Every school's principal, teachers, only they want to move ahead their schools, keep their schools move ahead, because their schools should grow and progress ahead. But they don't want their students should progress ahead. What do you think about our children? First of all, I want to say to you all, please don't blame your children. Don't say to them that the guy who is studying till 10 p.m. studies, he is better than you. Until he finishes work, he doesn't take anything, doesn't do anything. Now you are serving the mobile, like children, they weep, they cry, they shout, whatever. Then you took a mobile and give them. And open mobile, they watch reels, they use Insta, Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, whatever. They are going depression. The mobile is connecting their mind work. They are addicted mobile. If you don't give mobile, then they will be longing for mobile. They are not thinking the what to do. Now I am saying that they are spoiling their life. Their parents are not able to understand what their children want. That's why I want to say to you, don't say to your children. They don't scold them. Don't force to go to school. Whatever they want to do, let them do. Definitely coming out time, whatever they want to become, they will become. But you are imposing, you are giving them workload, or saying your teacher will scold you, please do on the time. You are throwing them another coaching, and the coaching teacher also beating them, and they are not feeling good. They are not enjoying their life. They are not going to visit. They come home and then you say, please wash your face, do and take tea and food after they go to study. Go for study. And they begin to study. Why is it? They are not in a mood of studying. They are not feeling like to study. They think their parents will talk to them and ask what's going on in our mind. Why we are not able to study? Why we are going depression? But parents don't ask them question. Only parents are giving money to schools, teachers, whatever, and they are thinking that my students, my son, my daughters, they wear good clothes, they have a tie, they have belt, they have knowledge, whatever they are going in a private schools, they are learning so much, but it is not matter. And they are learning and they are going to private school, Sarkari school, government school, private school. They are spoiling their life. I want to request to their parents, please ask to your students, ask to your sons, your own sons, your daughters, what they want. If you want to become a collector, if you want to become a teacher, if you want to become anything, if you want to do something, whatever you like, if you prefer studying to learn, if you prefer going to gym to a school, definitely you will ask them questions and they will tell you. Because today's generations is a good generation, but you are giving them mobile. Earlier there was no mobile. I had no mobile, everybody had no mobile. How would they study? How did they used to study? They studies well. Now today's generation is going on depression, sometimes anxiety. 95% people in India, they are going depression. They are hanging by a fan. They are eating poison. They are consuming poison. They are going depression. They are riding bike with speed, and they are feeling nervous. They are not happy. If somebody motivates them, they think it's today I will do, from today I will change whatever I want to change. I will in 21 days they finish their work. What is this? What's going on? Why we are not able to serve our children? What does he want and what does he not want? What does he need? What does he not need? What is want? Why parents are not caring them? Parents are busy in their work. Suppose you are businessman, you are busy in your business. Suppose you are teammate, you are busy in your team system. Suppose you are farmer, you are busy in your field. Everybody is busy. They are thinking, I have no time, I have to go there. What is this? If you ask them well, they will tell you one by one what's going on in their mind, why are they going depression, what is happening with them. Becoming a child, being a child, they think that, being a student, they think that parents will serve whatever they want. They say, my friend is going to visit any site. No, you have no money, please. Engage on your work, go to school, don't leave school, because you go to school, you will become a collector, you will become a professor. My friend's son, he took 20 lakh package in the age of 14, 15 and 20. He's became a good engineer, doctor, whatever. Keep studying. Start studying from today's. Whatever you want, I will do. I want only 85%, I want 95%. Parents are saying them. Parents are looking for percentage. What is the percentage? What do you think about percentage? to say about the children? Tell me. Let them do their work. Let them do their work until they finish whatever they want. Ask them. Don't to send to them the other coaching. Does not matter then how many marks get you in 12th class, 10th class, 8th class, 50th class. It's better than what did you learn from their class. From first class till 12th class, what did you learn? You spent your 12 years in school. What did you learn? You spent your 6 hours. You spent your 6 hours daily. If we collect, then we can't collect. They went in coaching, they came home, they studied well, they went in depression, and they died sometime, they hanged themselves, they jumped into the river, they died down in water, they did themselves because of their parents, because their parents are not person of words. Their parents are not serving whatever they want, their parents are not thinking about themselves, their parents have good chemistry with them. They are well acquainted with them, but their parents are not thinking, they are not feeling their problems, thinking their problems, not they are underestimating. That they are taking for them granted. What the hell is going on in their mind? I want to ask our parents, will you let die your children or will you let alive them? What do you want? You want that your children will be alive. You want your children is alive. You don't die. They don't die. He doesn't die. Then you will have to ask them question. You have to say that whatever you want, you will do it. Check their copy and go in school and ask the principal and teachers what are they teaching. They are teaching good or not. Teacher is capable of teaching or not. Sometimes it's not our mistake, their mistake. It can be their mistake, it can be happen. Because no, you are thinking that teacher who teaches well not, he is spending his 40 minutes, 45 minutes and then he is teaching well or not, we don't know. Because their parents don't know. If the parents meeting will be held, then the parents will say that I have work, I am home, I have a business work, I will come tomorrow, I will meet you, whatever. Then the teacher come on the point and they take the point. The thing that their parents will not come, then you will be happy. Ask, go in school, ask them that they are saying they are telling a lie or not. They are speaking truth or not. Just I want to say to you whatever you want to do it. And leave your child parents, leave your students, your children to be happy. Otherwise, in the coming of time, they will not be they will not come with you. They will die themselves. They will not be with you. Think about your students and do whatever you want to do. And whatever they want to do them, say to them, yes, we have to go there, go in restaurant, outside restaurant, eat together, make whatever they want to make, and celebrate their birthday, and go in wedding, enjoy your day, because this is a life. This is a life. The God who has given us body is not thinking, is not going in depression, is not thinking this is an illusion of body, and you are feeling nervous, you are going in depression, you are longing for money, you are getting up in the morning and you are thinking them are children, in the coming time become a collector, teacher, whatever, and then who children who became whatever, and then you go marry him, and then you said then his wife will give you money, whatever, then how can they give you money and you serve your food, whatever, because you know only you taught him for your purpose, you taught him for you that my wealth will be done and my value will be in the other people's, I will look like a good person. That's what you are doing for your children. Don't think about whatever you spent your life on the earth, you did. That was a time, a different time, and that's a time is a different time. Don't say them, don't send them depression. Ask them, live to happy. Give them time. You should give them time. Definitely they will be attracted by you. They will come to meet you. They will ask you. They will convince you. They will ask you whatever you want to ask. They will be with you. They believe you. Otherwise, they will not believe you. They will never believe you. They will leave you. Because they consider you your parents. They will not consider you as your friend, whatever. Think about your students, your parents, and do whatever you want to do. Why I am saying? Because I faced so many problems. I am watching, I am teaching ultimate class. I am thinking, what should I do and not? I should help them and not. Their parents are thinking, my son is not good. We should throw in his coaching. He's not looking like this. As my teachers told me, he's not studying. My daughter is studying. She is better than him. He's not better than her. I say, whatever he wants to do today, let him do. Think about it, he will understand. You have lots of money and you are thinking about them children. He will not look like me. I study hard and then I want to become a teacher, and then also he is a become a whatever he want to become. He will not become because of my goal that I want him to be, that he become a collector. Whatever. How can he become? How can she become? See, you know that we are looking for other people, and he will take a BA, BSc, BCom, whatever, then we will just he will whatever he will choose, I will choose. What the hell is going on? Depend on yourself, don't depend on other people. If you depend on yourself, then depend on other people will make you, say you, then you will not be able to do it, and you will say, yes, I can't do it. Definitely, today is your day, you will do it, but don't say to them. Don't regret to other people by yourself. Let them do their work. Depend on yourself. What do you want? What do you want to do in your life? What's your purpose? Why do you come here? For money? For wealth? For business? For time? For parents? Whatever you want. Nobody will help you. They will beg you. They will tell a lie, they will take a bite about you, whatever they will do. But if you thought about yourself, that yes, I have to change myself, I have to do whatever I have to do, I have to change my mentality, I have to use my time. That why did I come here? My parents they are still earning money. They are thinking I have to do something, that people will do it. But you, what? Their parents is not. They are thinking about their children, that how will children think? Never. Think about your children, whatever they want to do there. Serve them. Let them happy. Let them be frankly. That they can speak in front of you frankly. They can live frankly in this entire world. Don't say to teacher that beat them lots. Don't say to the other people that go their side and whatever. Say to them, stay here. Keep calm. Don't go in depression. Do your work, whatever you want to do. That's what. Thank you very much. I'm the this moment for ultimate class.